This is a series of episodes concerning how AI will affect side hustles. If you watched the last short, you saw how hard I was on freelancers. On the long form, you learned why I was so hard on them. Today, we're talking about how AI affects coaching and tutoring content creators. I don't have to be hard on them as AI is already eating their lunch. I am not in this for monetization. I'm in it for my grandkids. They are my skin in the game, but I do appreciate winning and achieving goals.
Please subscribe to our channel and share our video. It's free.
So hit that subscribe button if you like what you hear. As long as it's fun for my grandkids and I can help them learn and navigate for the future, I'm in. If you've watched my videos, you've met 6 of my grandkids. And Z is one of them, and she's helping me today with this video, along with Ava, my AI assistant. Ava, walk us through this graph.
This is a graph created by ChatGPT to illustrate the downward trend of videos being created for the category of academic tutoring and language learning. The downward trend is attributed to the increased capability and availability of AI tools to produce this kind of content very quickly, and by making tools like ChatGPT available to the masses. So, no need for humans to explain academic subjects when students can get answers on their own, or tutors can have a system create content for them. This is another slide put together by ChatGPT in just a few seconds about the categories of online tutoring and coaching just on YouTube. We will come back to this slide in a minute.
I'm a creator too, but I try and preach the truth and keep it to the facts. Let's look at the attrition rate of creators that are newly monetized or semi-pro. Ava, what do you think of these numbers?
If you do the math, that is 95% of the creators. And if you estimate a bit, about 75% of them will be gone in a year. So, if you're starting a business and needing a mentor or coach, you might be looking for a new coach as soon as you get things up and running.
Why should I care? I'm just a creator in training.
Remember, YouTube does no fact checking.
That's right, no fact checks. Legacy creators just want views, and to get views, they will claim they can show you how to house train birds if you will watch the video. Those creators will be gone soon. Only the creators that have staying power and the ones that are new that adopt AI tools to create faster and with better content will be left.
Here's the opportunity. Schools will be creating this content too, for academics and languages.
Tell me more about how AI will affect school material.
So let's break it down. If you're in academic subjects like math or science, guess what? ChatGPT is answering homework questions in seconds. Kids are using it as a first step before even thinking about messaging a tutor or teacher. And it isn't cheating because the teachers are using it too to create homework questions and to draft quizzes. The same applies for all of the very high and high categories in this graph. Teachers and tutors are starting to use the tools. Finance and investing education, legacy creation is dead. What surprised me the most is career coaching and test prep. That stuff is incorporating workflow with AI. It can now build your resume, give mock interviews questions, and even set up a prep plan for your interview. So here's the bottom line. AI won't replace people who use AI. It'll replace the ones who don't. Whether you're a student, a side hustler, or semi-retired like me, you need to know how this stuff fits into your world.
Okay, I think I get it. I'm in.
I hope you liked our content. If you did, please hit that subscribe button.